Om Shri Satnam Sakhi Jai Sri Krishna. Satsang Varkha Book 4, Discourse 4, Part 2. Guru Maharaj Ji said, a Mahatma went on a pilgrimage. After travelling full day, he halted at night in a house where a husband-wife lived with their 4 sons. The householder urged the Mahatma to have food. The Mahatma thought eating should be done by working hard, not by sitting idle. So the Mahatma ordered to organize a satsang. The satsang was held, Mahatma did the satsang and then accepted food. The son who was in the house thought that the Mahatma got so many items in the satsang, but he distributed everything without keeping anything for himself. If I stay with him, I will get all these things. On this thought, he left along with the Mahatma. The mother gave 3 rotis to the son so that he could eat when he was hungry on the way. The Mahatma knew this. After some time, the Mahatma ordered the boy, I will take a bath after you and then we will have food together. The boy came back. Then the Mahatma went to bathe. He thought, out of the 3 rotis, the Mahatma will eat 2 and I will get only 1. So, quietly he ate 1 roti, so that later they both can eat 1 roti each. When the Mahatma asked for the bread, the boy said, My dear teacher, I don't know where the 3rd roti went. The Mahatma kept silent. They both went ahead and on the way there was a river. The Mahatma said, Son, now you have to cross the river. So follow me and say like this, O Ram, take me across the river. Thus they crossed the river. Moving ahead, the Mahatma said to the boy, The Ram who made you cross this river, you swear by that Ram. Tell me who ate that 3rd roti. The boy said, Guruji, I swear by you, I do not know. They both went ahead. The second time there was a fire on the way which had to be crossed. The boy then says, Guruji, there's fire. The Mahatma said, Son, do not panic. Come after me and say like this, O Ram, save me from the fire. And that's how they both were saved. Later the Mahatma again asked the boy, The Ram who helped you cross the river and saved you from the fire, you swear by that Ram, tell me who ate the 3rd roti. The boy again said, Guruji, I swear by you, who ate the roti, I do not know. The Mahatma thought that he would not admit like this and he went ahead. There was a lion in the forest ahead. Seeing him, the boy got scared. He said, Guruji, look, there is a lion. The Mahatma said, Son, do not panic. Follow me and say like this, O Ram, please save me from this lion. Saying this, both of them escaped again. Then the Mahatma asked the boy on the oath of Ram, Now tell me the truth, who ate that 3rd roti? The boy thought that the saint just does not forget the roti. Then he said, Guruji, I swear on your head, who ate the 3rd roti, I do not know. The Mahatma said that this boy is very stubborn. Both of them went ahead and sat in one place. The Mahatma said to the boy, Son, go and collect the stones scattered around. The boy started getting scared, thinking that the Guru has great powers. I do not know what he does with these stones. Fearing, he gathered the stones. The Mahatma said, divide it into 3 parts and then say like this, O Ram, please make these stones of gold. The stones miraculously turned as gold as soon as the boy said this. Seeing this, the boy was wondering and surprised. He asked the Mahatma, What will you do with it? The Mahatma replied, Son, you can take 1 part, I will take another, and the 3rd part will be given to him who has eaten the 3rd roti. The boy said, Dear Mahatma Ji, you are merciful. I am a sinner. I am a thief. You are very, very merciful. You are the forgiver of all sins. To tell you the truth, I have eaten that 3rd roti. The Mahatma said, O God, then why did you take so many false vows? The boy said, Mahatma Ji, please forgive me. I am ignorant. I have made a mistake. The Mahatma said, Okay, you have told the truth now. That is why you can take all the 3 parts of this gold. Hearing this from the Mahatma, the boy was happy. He tied the gold in a bundle and came to his house. Knocking at the door, he called out his parents. excitedly he said, "Mother, father, look what I have brought. I have brought so much gold." When he opened the bale, he saw the same stones. The boy was stunned. He said, "I thought Guruji had given me gold, but what is this? The same stones?" Guru Maharaj Ji said, "Now look, the Mahatma wanted to give a lot to this little boy, but he could not take anything due to deceitful, cheating intentions. Because he was a liar, nothing came in his hand. That is why you must keep attachment and bond with your Guru till the end. Do not turn away from him. Don't cheat in the service of your Guru. Be simple and honest." The house can be changed. The clothes, shop, shoes, etc. can be changed. But don't change the master. Have complete faith in his name. Only the one with integrity gets everything. Without faith and devotion, everything is in vain. Therefore, chant your Guru mantra a lot and have faith in his words. Then your welfare is confirmed. बोलिए सतगुरुदेव भगवान की जय.